Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spectrum modem orange light blinking. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and reboot the router and the modem, okay? So a glitch can actually be preventing your router from working properly, and sometimes just restarting it can help. So what you can do is you can just power cycle your router. Just unplug it, okay, from the power source for about 1 minute, and then just plug it back in. And if you have a separate modem, just disconnect all the cables from both the modem and router, wait a full minute, then plug everything back in. Another thing to note, guys, is your router light also flashes orange when it's basically updating. So if your router is set to update its firmware automatically, the light will basically be flashing orange during the update process, and the router will reboot itself. So this could take about 15 minutes for the update to start and finish. So you just have to wait for this if this is what's happening. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and check for outages. So your internet service provider may actually be down for maintenance, or have unscheduled outages, right? If you see the orange light blinking. So this is usually a problem with your internet service provider. So you can go ahead and check, you can enter your location, see if you have any outages, or you can contact them via phone and find out that way. What you can also do is you can go ahead and reset your router to factory settings. So you'll see this hole with probably text written down here. It says reset. So you need to insert a pin in this hole to press the button to reset your router to factory settings. You want to hold that for about 30 seconds. Okay, hold that for 30 seconds, and then your router will go ahead and erase all your settings and reset itself. If none of these work, guys, you have to just go ahead and contact your internet service provider and try to get them send a team, or check via online access to see if they can solve the problem remotely. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.